Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla that generation from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find where the ECU fuses, also known as ECM fuses or PCM fuses, those are practically the fuses for the engine computer under a different name, engine control unit, engine control module, or powertrain control module, guys, the abbreviations, guys. We'll explain where you can find these fuses. They will be in two different fuse boxes where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the ECU fuses, also known as ECM or PCM fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Toyota Corolla here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we will work in two. The first one, you need to open the driver door. Once you open the driver door, you need to look all the way under the dash on the left side. Look upside down on the bottom of the dash. In the left corner you will find a white cover like this one. Open it. Underneath you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout that will look exactly like this one right here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here you will need to check up to 3 different fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more very important fuses. The first, so that's fuse number 1 through 16, the second row is 17 through 32. So if you come here, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 18, right here, then 19, 20, 21, you will need to check. And then 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 will be the third one. After that, you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood on your Toyota Corolla, guys, facing the engine on the right side, you have that cover. Open it, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Let's zoom in a little bit. By the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste money and time. Here, the fuses that you need to check now, specifically, okay, will be fuse number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that one right here. And then you need to check fuse number 17, which will be that 10 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.